guys, today it's our first time going outside here. We're gonna play with my brand new Hot Wheels RC car. Now everybody's here today. So we have an RC car right here. We're gonna start this vehicle. Now you know the on buttons, these options are here. Now this one's actually off. Now let's just start going over here. Okay, they're going fast. Faster than ever, more like an FPE. Okay, let's go right here. Or, like, you do know this RC car can use the massive engine. Like this. Like, it's going far away. Like, look at this. Okay. Now, actually, let's go, we're gonna go racing somewhere. Now, let's do this. Okay, this is our first time going outside here. Okay, here he is. He's out of the picture. Okay, something like that. Okay. So, oh my god. Okay, let's see this coming. Okay. So, this car used to move like this. Like, even though when I go outside without the video, I used to have great times using this RC car outside. Like, you know, this one. This car actually have more batteries, so it has maximum batteries. I wish this car would be gone. Okay. Let this car go. Okay. Let's just do this car as a spin this time. Okay. I know you cannot see him, but make sure you can see him. So I'm not sure if you can see this. He was mostly spinning around. Okay, you can spin like this. Okay, look at this. Well, awesome cleans up. Okay. This one's gonna go backwards, forward, sideways, somewhere. Okay, so look how this car goes far away. Like, if you could see the car right there next to the van, look how fast he can go. Like, you can also use your RC car. I think your RC car also can use to drive faster. So, can your RC car can go faster? Try to drive it if you hold it too long, as fast as you can. Like, watch this. Did you see that right there? So this time he has to spin around. After he goes forwards, just like what I did. Like this. Okay, so let's just change the camera somewhere where this car can go spin around. Let me just go to the next different spot. Now you can see this car somewhere. So look at this. Now you can see him far away. Like, he almost look 2 meters right there in the track. Like right there. Now RC car Mustang gets speed up over there. And he goes. Okay. Now let me do this one this time. You can see, like, look at this car spinning around in slow motion. Look at this car in slow motion. Let me just go. Okay, let's get ready. mission, he actually dominates this. So, let's put this car somewhere right here. Like this, right here. Wait. Okay. Let me just put this car far away. Right here. Okay. Oh, there's a leaf. Okay. Alright. This car, it goes backwards and forwards. Okay, here he is. He must have got controlled by some anything. Let's just look at these options again. Like, again, all this logo in it, and the batteries are still maxed out. So, look at this car, how he does right here. I'm just gonna put it on. I'm just gonna. Okay, you can see the world right here. Like this one, let me just hold it actually. Look at this car right here. This car is the best. He used to dominate every single time, like right here. And then he has dirt somewhere right there. Okay, so let's just go use it again. This time getting close to this side. Oh wait. Okay, go. Let me go. Alright, like this one. This one looks very dominating. So, let's just put this car somewhere. Let's just put this camera again. Okay. Okay, so let's just hold this one right here. Let's just put it this side again, this time here. Okay. You can see the car in front of you, right? Okay. The class are going on now. Okay, look at his car, how he moves fast as he can. Oh wait. The Mustang got a sound or something. I don't know what it was. Okay, look at this car, how he goes moving. So check him out how he spins around here. I think he must go bigger than this wheel. I think he can spin very fast than this in this circle right here. Right here. Oh. Like this side right here. This circle. Okay. So watch him how he does. Okay. Look how he does in slow motion. Everything's clear. Never mind, I'm just gonna okay, this video's gonna take a while, just like the other one. We're really sorry if this video took a long time. Okay, let's see where this go. Okay. Alright. How does this car go on? Actually, look. If you don't remember what he's look like, let me show you him right here. Right here, look at this, Huggles logo. And his back over here, and his wheels are dirty, just like what I just played with the car last time. And I heard some kid who actually played with me in this car. Okay, let's see. Okay. Alright. Let's look under this engine. This engine has 40 meters, grams or something. I don't know what it looks like. I mean, I don't know what kind of weight he is. Or, okay. Okay. Hey, we still have another one. We're doing our C-car video. It says in the title, 2 minutes later. We actually gotta record somewhere. Okay, let's put this car in the test. Test 1. You have to slide over there next to that van. But make sure the van doesn't start on yet. So look at this car. Let's see how far this can go. Okay, let's take a break. Okay, welcome back. This time it's been like 15 seconds later. Okay, it's been 50 seconds later. Okay, where? Let's go make it bigger. Okay, wait. So someone's stopping me right here. Okay, next test is how this car spin around. So let's see how this car does. Like remember the last time we actually spin this car in slow motion. Okay, so let's go. Look how this car goes and spinning around. So let's see how this car does. How's that one? Actually, he keeps spinning. He actually spins so slow, actually. Okay, first one was he was going back. He was going forwards right there next to the van. It has van right there. And the second one, he was trying to spin around, and he just tried to hit that leaf over there. Third one is how he goes through there. Let me just put this camera. Third test is how this car goes through here without falling down. Let's see how this one does. Right here onto there. So make sure this car. I'm gonna have to make sure this car shouldn't fall down, or else you might feel it. So let's go for it. Oh no, he fall off the track. Right here. Okay. Let's try again. Let's just remove these dirts. Let's try again. Let's see if this one can go from there, right here, and then until at the end of the thing. Okay, let's see how this car can go. In 3, 2, 1. Did you see it? He makes it. Wow, actually he did. He completed now. So let's just keep going to this car. So I hope you like this video and enjoy it. See you.